everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to add an image to your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see right here, I can see all of the websites that I have already created in Webflow, and here I even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website right here called YouTube Tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here and clicking on Open Designer. Now this will open up the menu in our website right here where we can go ahead and edit it. If you look at the left side of the screen, you will see the option to go ahead and see all the features and options that you have to manage your website. We can add new elements if you want, we can even see our components, we have the settings option right here and so on. And on the right side of the screen, you can see that you have the option to edit and style those elements and components that you will be adding to your site. You have the style option right here, you have your element settings and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and add an image to the site. We're going to do that first by clicking on the plus button right here in the upper left corner. Click on the plus button guys, and now this will open up this new menu where you can select what kind of element you want to add. We're going to scroll down until we find the media options right here. In the media, we're going to go ahead and see multiple options like image and video. We're going to select image. Go ahead guys and click on image, and now this will automatically add the image to your website. As you can see, the image has been added right here, and now we can go ahead and choose the image. I'm going to choose image, then I'm going to select an image that you can upload it from your PC right here by clicking on the upload button right here. I have already uploaded a picture of some bananas and I'm going to be using that. And as you can see here guys, now we have successfully added the picture. So if we want to move the picture around, we can look at the right side of the screen and we can go ahead and find the position option. In position, we want to select a relative, and under relative, now we can go ahead and scroll down and move the picture where we want it to be moved. As you can see, now we are successfully moving the picture, and now we can put it anywhere in the page we want to do. After we are satisfied guys, just go ahead and exit out and it will be automatically saved. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.